Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Google Sheet automatically open to a specific cell every single time the spreadsheet is opened. By default, when you open a spreadsheet, it starts at the very top. But sometimes you may want it to jump to a very specific location. Maybe that's where you last worked, where your dashboard lives, or where you want your team to start. Let's say we want this sheet, Sheet 1, to open directly to row 289, column E every time. Let's set that up using Apps Script. Step 1. Open Apps Script. Go to Extensions, Apps Script. This is only going to take a tiny bit of Apps Script, and we're going to do it very quickly. Once the editor opens, we're going to create a simple trigger called onOpen. Step 2. Add the onOpen function. Delete any placeholder code and type this. Use this exact script, and I'll include it in the description below so you can copy and paste it. Let me explain what's happening. Function onOpen. This is a simple trigger. It runs automatically every time the spreadsheet is opened. Spreadsheet app.getActive. Sheet parens. Parens. Comma gets whatever sheet is currently active. Get range parens 289, 5 parens, row 289, column 5. Column E is column 5. Dot activate parens, parens, moves the view and cursor directly to that cell. So now we're telling Google Sheets, when this file opens, go to row 289, column 5. Step 3. Save the script. Click Save. Make sure the orange Unsaved Changes indicator disappears. Then close the Apps Script tab. Step 4. Test it. Scroll to the very top of your sheet. Now refresh the spreadsheet. It may take a moment. And there it is. It automatically jumps to row 289, column E. Exactly where we told it to go. Important notes. This is called a simple trigger. You don't need to manually run it. Just naming it onOpen makes it work automatically. You can change the numbers inside Get Range Row column to any location you want. For example, Get Range open parenthesis. 1 comma, 1 close parenthesis would go to A1. Get Range open parenthesis. 50 comma 3 close parenthesis would go to C50. Just remember, column numbers are numeric. A equals 1, B equals 2, C equals 3, D equals 4, E equals 5. This is such a clean way to direct users to a dashboard, start work in a specific section, improve user experience in shared spreadsheets. If you want more smart Google Sheets automations like this, make sure you subscribe to Sheet Leveler here on YouTube. I've got plenty more coming to help you level up your sheets. Drop your questions below. I might answer them in a future video. And I'll see you in the next one.